Grand Rising, everyone. It's Shay Seeking, and welcome back. Go. All right. So, I don't normally even go here. I don't even normally go here. I don't even normally go here. But I see people want to play. I see, just in case somebody, just in case, okay? I had to, I seen this picture that came up with me from 2 years ago on Facebook, right? So I'm just thinking like there may be some energy around here to see who the copycat is and who the copycat ain't. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna go ahead and look at a couple things, motherfucker. Like I said, from the things I do or the things I've done hobby craft wise, as card making, paper making, candle making, all of these the fuck above. It's like, come on, man. It's like we can already tell who's the what, right? So I'm sitting here looking at my pictures or whatever. So I said, let me go on back, just in case somebody want to think it's on some old bullshit. Let's go back. Let's go back and see who the copycat is, right? So I said, let's go on back now, okay? Let's go on back. We're going to take it back to 2011, okay? All right? Matter of fact, I got my wedding picture on here. It's like two bitches that's just trying to beat me. Like, what is this? What's the so again, these people, they must have been down my timeline or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on? Let's go on back to 2011. I'm telling you, like, okay, this is my cousin down here, but I'm at the top. Okay, I'm just saying, who who? These motherfuckers is doing the Shay Seeking or the Shalonda of 2011. Like, what are we doing here? Y'all got me in a bad spell because again, I'm going through something. Or I have been going through something for the past 2 years? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Who was doing what first? Because it sure wasn't no damn, it wasn't Georgia. You know what I'm saying? Go back, and this is what I'm saying. This is how you could tell who the copycat is. Now, I didn't used to show my face in my old videos, but we're going to go ahead and do it here, right? So we could go back. You could go back and look at Georgia's energy from when she first started on YouTube and whatever. And then you can go back and look at mine. I mean, it's just as simple as that. All right? It's just as simple as that. All right? Because Shay Seeking ain't never, Shalonda ain't never trying to be nobody but her damn self. This all me right here. Look, these wigs with the curls and the, this always been me. Look, this all me. That mean. This me. 2020, 2021, 2011, 1999. I had to go back real quick and check for myself. Okay? I had to go ahead and check for myself. All right? We going back, these people just started 4 years ago or whatever, okay? Some of these people started probably like 8 years ago or whatever, something like this. But, I ain't never been doing nobody but Shalonda. You understand what I'm saying? All right, we done hit a little stump in the road for the past year or so, but ain't nobody been doing nothing but Shalonda. You understand what I'm saying? I don't do nothing but myself. Look at this. I don't do nothing but myself. What, this like 20... this like 15 years ago? These motherfuckers just now wearing this. This is me 15 years ago. What is this? What we talking about? This me like 2 years ago when everything was on up and up around here, right? Before we got this interference going on, whatever the fuck was going on. This been, well, who did what? What for what? Everything natural. Matter of fact, and when y'all see me on camera most of the time or whatever you're looking at me, most likely I don't have makeup on no more because, again, this was back in the days when I, used to have it on all the time. But ain't nobody doing nobody but myself. I ain't never been doing nobody but myself. That's what we do over here. Big hair, don't care. That's what we do over here. Ain't nobody doing nothing that nobody, I'm just saying. I don't even know. How far can we go back? I think these just profile pictures. When I stopped doing my profile pictures, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. Just me. You know what I'm saying? Now, you might have caught me back then. Now, this probably like, what? This probably like 2000 something maybe. I don't know. What is this? When was this? This is one of the wigs where I wasn't too, this, y'all could tell this old, this old, like 16 years ago or something like that. Okay, I'm just saying, that's a little bit older right there. But, you know, this back when I used to sell purses and stuff like that. When I had my store. This old 2009, '07. I'm just saying. They wearing the makeup that I used to wear back then. You know what I'm saying? I do something a little bit some more subtle these days. But yeah, that's what that was. That ain't nobody got to be like trying to be like no damn body around here. I just don't do that, I guess. I just don't. Let's see. Yeah, that's that. That's my birthday, probably like, what, 2013? These motherfuckers doing the old me. Look at the attire. They doing the old me. You understand what I'm saying? They doing the old me. That's the old me, child. Honey, honey, baby child. That's the old me. All right? I tell y'all when I can feel people's energy coming into my energy field so that they can make it seem like I'm the copycat and they not. You know what I'm saying? I'm just somewhat of a chameleon, but I'm always myself. That's one thing first. First thing first around here. I don't know what other... Let me see. Let's see. All right. I ain't got time to be trying to look at what nobody else look like to see what's going on. Yeah. If you see another feminine energy, this is the family, right? This been me. What you talking about? I don't understand what somebody trying to say. All right, this chick just start doing this pretty much. This one just now trying to do this, whatever the fuck this is. Like I said, if you see some females on here, you know, because I think I just linked my Instagram with this, all right? If you want to really look, like I said, I mean, big hair, like I've always been doing this. Like nobody's got to be trying to be nobody. Just like I always been, you know, speaking this truth, right? Let's see if we can find anything else. Let's see. Like I said, with or without the makeup. Hold on, these are my vintage clothes in the shop. Let me see. Let's see. Always been putting in the work. Always been putting in the work. You hear me? Always. What was this? 2 years ago? Always been already wearing shit like this. Matter of fact, this is the skirt I just had on. Matter of fact, look at the hair. This like 2 years ago. This is in Miami. All right? So, I mean, just in case somebody was wondering, I'm trying to figure out. Okay? Always been already repping Selassie. These bitches is on my... So this is why she must have had the candle of Selassie. Because, again, it's a difference than to act like something. There's no way that somebody can catch up with all the information, all the work that I done put in within the community. It just ain't so. Just ain't so. I don't... And again, it's to the point where I don't have to even try that hard like some of these people do. People hitting up skin lightener and shit. All this energy right here that I done put into all this. And you think I'm about to have somebody coming up in here talking about copycat? No, sir. I put the work in. I put all the work in. Long time. Lots of hours. All the work in. All of it. All the work in. Breakdowns, all kind of things. Again, still. Same. Same. Half top skirt 2.5 years ago. I'm coming. Hold on one second. I'm just doing a short video real quick.